What do elite men do when their wife disrespects them? Hint, it's not begging, controlling, or backing down. I'm Natalie. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. In this video, I'll show you how the 1% handle disrespect and why it earns them lasting admiration. Point number 1, they walk from chronic disrespect. The 1% know that staying in disrespect long term only kills respect further. They set standards and stick to them. Elite men know if dishonor becomes the pattern, not the exception, they're willing to walk. Staying in chronic disrespect lowers your value and weakens your leadership. Elite men set that boundary. Respect, it is non-negotiable. Do you want to know how to set standards and lead with strength? Download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. Point number 2, they don't beg for it. Respect isn't begged for. It is earned. Elite men don't plead or demand. They let their actions, consistency, and presence speak louder than their words. Point number 3, they lead themselves first. Self-respect always comes from external respect. A man who disciplines himself, his habits, his health, his word automatically raises the standard. When he leads himself, respect always follows. If you are ready to build this kind of respect in your marriage, download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It is packed with 5 tools to help you lead with confidence at home. Link is below. Point number 4, they confront directly. This is a huge one. Avoidance kills respect faster than conflict. Elite men don't let tension sit. They calmly, directly address it without rage, without weakness. Confrontation, the right way, the skillful way, builds clarity, and clarity restores respect. Point number 5, they avoid the control trap. Some men overcorrect disrespect by becoming controlling. Elite men influence instead of controlling. Their authority comes from calm presence, not force. Control pushes her away. Leadership draws her in closer. Point number 6, they protect her energy. Elite men don't pour endless energy into providing themselves to someone unwillingly to respect them. They protect their emotional energy for leadership, vision, and growth. If respect doesn't come, they don't crumble. They move forward. Point number 6, they build respect with gratitude. Elite men know respect isn't one-sided. It flows both ways. They model gratitude and appreciation, setting the tone for a culture of respect at home. Listen to me, disrespect doesn't destroy elite men. It reveals their strength. I really suggest downloading the free marriage ROI toolkit below in the description or pinned comment, because inside you'll get 5 tools to help you lead with confidence at home so your marriage becomes your greatest ROI and you're going to get the respect that you've been craving for. Link is below. I'm looking forward to hearing your results from it.